how to enable header and footer in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can put in header and footer in your MS Word. So let's dive right in. Just open up your Microsoft document and then you can see blank space at the top. Just double tap on the blank space and you can see option to put in header automatically appears. Now you can go to home and change the alignment to the right hand side, and then you can put in any header that you want. So I'll put in SOP 2025. And then now to put in footer, scroll down. You can see the footer option here. You can just put any alignment that you want to, and then write what footer that you want. And then you can go to the header and footer tab and then just close it. And there you go. This is what the header and footer looks like in your document. It's as simple as that. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.